Okay, there we go. Here we go again. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and you had a great day, I hope. If you're watching new here, consider subscribing. Older one, newer one, hit the like and share with others if they can benefit, and drop a comment, anything in the chat that I could learn or you could get answered in the word. So drop that too. We can have fun in that way. And with that, progressing with the exam, towards the exam, preparing by doing some hack the box labs, and we'll be doing the try hack me labs and offsec labs too pretty soon. Maybe there are quite many labs from the hack the box that I'm doing for the prep, but I guess I don't need that much, so I will be dropping few of them pretty soon. So with that said, let's continue with the today's box, which we are solving for the past 3 days because of some complication that we wasn't able to perform a certain commands correct, and now we are on track. We are working good with that. So let's continue with the box and start. And currently we are working with the tartar sauce, so let's go. And there seems to be a pretty damn back, so let's go. And here we are. Okay, so over here we have some good stuff. What it says /wp, or I just need to provide wp only. Server, web server to the blog. Test blog index.php. I guess this is what it's looking for. I guess press enter. Okay, no. Slash press enter. Relative path till here. No. This. Okay. What is a relative path on the web server to the blog? What's the hint here? GoBuster, Ferex Buster. Well, this is a path, so what's the problem here that I'm not able to get over here? If I will put the whole endpoint, that's not gonna help. As I said, this is not working either. Delete, submit it, and finally it worked. That's pretty weird. It should take any kind of output, doesn't matter if you're providing this slash or not, but yeah, it's up to this who we are to say something. What WordPress plugin shows its version as 2.3.10. Okay, so we are over here. It's this plugin that's showing this version, and we need the whole name of it, which is yeah, GB. Go here, paste it here, and it's accepted. Now, what's the actual version of it? We have it here. It's 1.5.3, which was pretty damn not so good. And says what is the relative path that remote file include vulnerability of. Okay, we need to provide the endpoint that's vulnerable. I believe it is going to be from here till here, I guess, if we don't provide the parameter, something like this. Okay, it worked. What user is web server running as on? It's what is it? www-data enter, and we're not gonna look afterwards because that will be a problem. We're not able to perform anything by ourselves, so from here on we gonna do it by ourselves. Yesterday we found that we was doing stuff wrong, and because of that we missed some stuff. And we paste it here. So what it says, and we have the results, cat or read it, and wow, we missed the very basic, which we should have checked before, which is sudo -l, and as per the linpiece output, we have access to the tar, that's a tool to unzip tar based files, and it seems we can use that with sudo and without password. So let's visit the GTFO bin. Okay, it's not here. Then we will put it like this, GTFO bin, to see if we can perform privilege escalation using the tar. So here we have the tar, and now we need to check if we can use that in any manner. So we will visit the GTFO bin, and we have something relevant to the tar. There is upload file, file download, file write, There we go, the sudo one, and we can try copy this and paste it here. Enter. We don't need to provide the password, or damn, it is asking for the password, which I wasn't expecting. Sudo tar cf null dev null checkpoint. If I will put bin bash, it's still gonna ask for the password, I believe. Yep, it is asking for a password. Same stuff, different approach. We are looking for right stuff, correct? It is a bin slash tar. Or maybe we need to provide the whole endpoint slash bin slash tar. Now this should help it. Press enter. Enter. Okay. It's not able to help. Sudo -l, press enter. It is showing we can use, but the user who can use is on my What files do we have access to, so we can try and leverage those files? So we will be using, if I'll press ID, we have the group ID and other stuff over 33. That means we can go hover over the find, and here we will look for something. Let's see. Temp user. Okay. Find slash space type is going to be file space hyphen user space 33. It will include, okay, there is so much noise here. So what we're gonna do is add everything to devnull, and where the hell is devnull that we have mentioned here? There we go. Paste, press enter. And there are multiple files that we can work around. And give me a sec, mom is calling. I'll be back, mom is calling. Hey, for some reason, okay, it's back, it's back. I thought I killed the mic. So what we have here is we have certain files that we can access. What if I will do this? These are part of the groups as well, so I don't think that is gonna be an appropriate way to find the files. So we gonna copy this command, paste it here, and provide the user as www-data. So this is gonna be a file or command that will, okay, it's still fetching all of those files. But is there any file that this user can access? And this user too. Let's see. Okay, we have something here. Cat paste enter, and it's all gibberish. Strings paste enter. It says ask your administrator to install one of them. bin utils multi arc. What is this? Binutil. If I will do file, what sort of file is it? It's a gzip data compressed file, so that means we can use the gzip and remove everything, tldr gzip -d and provide the path -d, decompress this file and put it here, enter, and it says gzip unknown suffix ignored. Okay, let's put it into the dev-shm. Temp this is taking us nowhere. Wait a sec. If you're looking for a file, that's already there. So what we can do with the gzip? Let's see if we can pull that over the local and do something about it. Okay. Let's try this. cp this file, not this, this file over here into dev.gzip, press enter. Okay, we got a file here, and gzip -d dev something, and we gonna pull that into the test over here. mkdir test, press enter, and it says unknown suffix, ignore. Test is a directory. It's a gzip file, compress a file. Compress a file, replace it with gzip archive. We're not trying to compress it, we're trying to decompress it so we can read the file. Decompress a gzip archive, specify the output file name. Let's see if we can do this. cd, we have the file space, put it into this and press enter. Test is a directory. Okay, if I will use touch test, est, enter, catest. Okay. Whoa. Easy boy. That's a damn big stuff. This seems to be a weird output, and it's way too big. Let's just try this. Grep pass, enter, and it says binary file matches a standard broken. It's a binary file. Standard output matches. Ouch. This isn't making any sense. Let's see, is there any other way to use the tar? Limited SUID. Tar devnull check. Sudo /bin /tar. Press enter. Can we use another user here? sudo -u enuma slash bin slash tar-dev null, and it says sorry, enable to initialize policy plugin this. Try this. Sudo -u slash bin slash tar, copy, paste, enter. Okay, who am I? I see. Who am I? It worked. It's just I wasn't being an idiot. Okay, it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. And we have defined user who can use the slash bin slash tar, and the defined user is Anuma or whatever the hell his name is. This name pronunciation is a bit weird. And here you can see we have got the access. We just need to paste this with space, and we own the user Numa. Tar to own Anuma. Now that we are in this user, let's do the ls, and we can go to the home slash Anuma, enter, and if I will do the damn cat slash or sheesh cat root dot txt, again wrong file, cat user dot txt, and there we go. I believe this doesn't matter because these flags are on rotation, so It doesn't matter if even if you will see it over here. So with this, we own the user Onuma, and what it says, what's the full path of the binary a user can run. Okay, it's bin/tar. I passed out, got my result. Congratulations, brother. I'm happy for you. Good. So how was the exam? What's the flag in tar that specify how many bytes to process before running some actions? Good. Pretty nice. Good in the sense that which part you lurk in the most? Numeration was fun, exploitation was fun, or it's just another CTF, or the Active Directory was fun, or did you try the buffer overflow also? So which part was it? Now I'm having so many questions in my mind. That's a problem with me. I don't. Standalone machines was easy. Machines affect the box. So they are kind of similar. Like the OSCP is similar to the easy boxes as the hack the box. Well, that would be weird if it is that damn easy. But I don't have that, do I? I don't have the OSCP builds right now. So we will just create our DB for now, which will have the collection of command which I just can copy paste and stuff. I'm not overlearning, I just don't have the budget right now to give the exam. That's it. That's what I'm hoping, that this platform can help me earn something rather than nothing. I'm not sure if it's a bad idea or something. Sudo -l. If it is that easy, I would say like it's worth try. I will give a shot. Okay, now we have another broken shell. If I will do bash. Okay, this shell is fixed now. ls. We have new file. We can do this and go to the nodes, go all the way up and paste it here. Do the cat. From the cat, we got the file. From the file, with that, we also have the what we have, user.txt flag. Now we need work on the privilege escalation of root for root, and we can remove everything from the below without messing with this one, and we have it there. Now what we need to look for is if we can find a way to escalate our privileges. Okay, nice. It's not disappointing at all. Okay, if I would do sudo -l, press enter, we don't have the password of Numa, so press enter again, press enter again, and we have 3 unsuccessful attempts. And here, when I trigger the slash, or when I trigger the ls, if wait, ls-la, let's see if we can find something different over here. We have shadow_bkp, which is going over the dev null. That doesn't make any sense because that doesn't make any sense. And if I will go to the we got some good files listed there. Where one includes .ssh and other good looking files. Let's look around and see what we can get from these files. So this is taking a toll. We're gonna cd.ssh and see if we can find a file if using that file. Okay, known hosts, cat known hosts. We have something interesting here, and this seems to be a SHA-2 encrypted string, which we might be able to crack, or maybe not. Let's paste it here, and we're gonna clear the stuff and echo known_hosts. Over here we wanna provide a double single quotes and paste this whole string. And if I will do hashcat identify, remove remove everything and give them known host, it is trying to check what it is, and if okay, it's not able to process that. Can we do it here? Which I hardly believe it will be able to do so. SHA-256, this seems to be a salted one, so I hardly believe it will be able to do. Let's provide it here, check. I knew it. It won't be able to. Okay, if I will do the Cyber Chef and provide it here. There seems to be a 2-3 different types of strings that are there. The first one is this, the second one is this, and the third one is this big one. So what we can do, clear this out and remove this single quotes. Let's try provide the first variable here, PeopleSoft, and the next one here, another PeopleSoft, or maybe Braco something. And here goes the last one. Paste, press enter, and this one says mismatch, so that means we need to provide it with this, which I'm not sure. Cancel this, copy this back, go here, paste it, press enter. Let's see. Over here, where is the hash cat? Go here, single liner, we will copy this, go here and paste, copy this, paste it here, and PeopleSoft, one, copy, paste, enter. Before it create a lot of noise, let's just copy this too, paste here, and paste. This is gonna be second one, and hope this can crack whatever this string is. Okay, messed up, sorry, my bad. 133, copy, clear this out, paste, enter, and it says no hash loaded. That means something is wrong here. No hash loaded. This could be that this is a 24800. Press enter, and again it says no hash loaded. Token length exception. Copy this, go here, paste, Magic not gonna work as expected. Let's ask the Lord. How do I crack this? Whoa. It seems people have a busy day today. And we are reasoning with it. Extensive, intensive mode. Now this gonna cook. And it couldn't cook. Remove everything till here. Crack the hash. Unrecognized hash. Okay. Don't be like that, boy. SSH keygen or specific brute force tool could help you. Don't give me that bullshit. I'm just getting this errors. It's likely the base64 encoded. How the hell is it a base64 encoded? Although it does seems like a base64, but it's not a base64. From base64, yep, it's not a base64. Strict mode, remove alphabetics. Copy paste is equal to. No. It's not a base64. You can try this to check if your hash is processed correctly. Okay. Provide yo, so many hashes here. Host to get the fingerprint. We don't have the host here, we have the got this hash SSH from the user, but not able to get the password. So this means we might be limited somewhere. Find the queues, profile and stuff. And for your information, we don't have port 22 open. We just have this key so we can crack it to get the root access and get the flag, I guess. Everything works on guess. Examine the public key in known hosts. The known host file contains the fingerprint of the remote host public SSH key. If this public key is part of challenge that you're supposed to crack the key, brute force, known other stuff. Okay, you're also not any helpful. What's the file in tar that specify how many bytes to process before running some action? What's the file in the tar? What's the file in the tar? Underscore or it's a hyphen? I didn't specify any sort of file there. Okay, it's a checkpoint. This was a medium. It wasn't easy at all. What's the full path to the bash script that run every minute? Okay, so here we go. This hash. This key wasn't any help, so we moved on. Let's see what we can find here. One directory back, ls cat shadow clear. Now we're gonna read any file that this user can trigger. So let's see if we can do find slash space -u noma space. There seems to be something or some flag that I'm still missing, and we need to put this in the end. And it seems hyphen type, it's gonna be F. Instead of U, it's gonna be name. And if I'll trigger this, that's weird. We don't have any sort of file that we can run as this user. Pretty good. Then can we check the cron tab for user noma? Okay, I forgot -L to the list. No cron tab for this user, but what about the root? Press enter. You must be privileged to use -u. So if I will do ss-tln, enter, we have the same old garbage services that it is putting in our plate. So that means we cannot work on with any other service. We are restricted with this shell itself. We can close this, and what else we can check? ps hyphen aux or we can do it without aux hyphen. Now we need to see what we are running here. Here we triggered this command, or maybe this one, to get the shell we are currently in. So this is the noise that we created. We have the poll kit here that we can use. System login. Okay, let's see if ID has something to offer. We have a plug dev. Let's see if I will use the find command. Instead of name, if I will go with the 1000, press enter, nothing. If I will go with the 30, or yeah, let's go with the 30. There is something related to MSI. And what about the 46? Same stuff. Okay, there's isn't anything interesting going on. But if I will try to check something with the root, press enter, we have recovery mode option root, and if I will cat this out, it says cat inside a file. It's calling a file within a file. Okay, it's file in a file. Lab recovery, this is a file. If $1 is equal to test, then if $1 is equal to this, echo drop to root shell prompt, default evaluation, get text to ensure that we do not fail. If get text base is not installed, deal with system where user isn't mounted. Well, likely some languages. There is no environment set as their steps are skipped. What's going on here? cat. Damn. Okay, what are you trying to cat here? Cat. Okay, what? Said he passed OSCP? Yep, he has passed. And I congratulated him, which is good. I'm just doing this so I can collect some money to give an exam. Without it, I don't think I'll be able to pull enough money to give an exam. That's why I ask people to support, but it seems everyone has something going on with them. And if I will, yes, many people say OCP boxes are easy. I think I will also give a time. Yeah, sure, go ahead. I'm into the same boat. I will immediately give the exam. So let's wait for money to be in my pocket. Here is the game that OSCP is now, like offensive security is playing. If you have the OSCP, you have to renew it after year 3, which is OSCP plus, that needed to be renewed. But if you have the higher certification within that 3-year span, that can be looked down and you don't have to give the exam again. If you don't, then you have to give the exam again eventually. I don't know what these new weird standards they are setting, but he just said don't overlearn, bro. So I'm pretty sure he must have just gone through with the default stuff they have provided in the OSCP itself, the course, because that's what courses are for. They are there to lead you from one end to certain end. So you just follow that lead, and once you're done with that, you just give an attempt. That's it. Yeah, sure, go ahead. That damn stuff is pretty costly for me. Offensive security. No. I don't want to give anything to the sponsor or whatever. For individual. Yep, it's expensive. Yep, one time learn. Attempt. One time payment. Best value, most popular course plus third exam bundle. I think I can just go with this. One attempt, 90 days, and one course. And this is going to remain permanently into my account, I guess. Well, there are some portion that you might skip because you already have knowledge, but there are some portion where you can utilize your own knowledge where you don't have to rely on something, and that will do the job for you. That's how I do it. I don't give a stress over something like this. If there is something that I already know, I just skip that portion, but I do give a check if I am known to that portion. Without giving a check, that could be a bit tricky. So let's try to go to the cd/dev/shm. I don't have, oh, we have the stuff here. So give a clear, and now we're gonna run an netcat, same stuff, but this time the lin piece is going for the Numa, and we're gonna trigger. Let's scroll up a bit. We have this script here, and wait, what? I didn't add the lin piece numeration. Okay, I didn't add it because that wasn't required there. Okay, understandable. Lin piece already have the permissions. I don't think we need to provide the permissions. /lin piece, and this needed to be moved here. With that, I will go here, and we need to copy this, remove this, paste it here, press enter, and over here couldn't find anything. I guess we can give a shot to lin piece here. So what we're gonna do is press enter, and there we go. We started reading that file, and the thing is, with this command, it won't create the output of lin piece over the remote box, but it will create the output in our localhost, or like the local box. So that way we can read the file on our local way faster than that slow buffering window. So that's what I do and what I did, which I recently started doing, so it's kind of helpful in some manner. If you want to try, you can try. And if you guys are watching, drop a like. That would be pretty kind of you. Thank you. Okay, there we go. We got a stuff on our local, and I'm gonna copy it all the way here with a bit extend, and we have the output here of this command. There we go. Yeah, I'm doing the same stuff, bro. Like, that's why I said we are in the same boat. So it doesn't matter. Let's give it a read and see if we can find anything in there. If I'll have enough subscriber and start processing some, maybe I'll just give away some coupons for the OSCP itself. But it's going to be a long way. We still have 1,000+ arts to finish, even just for a membership. Okay, here we have it. So we did the same stuff again. And here we go. I am trying to good, or I would say I am good. This good stuff is a bit confusing. I don't know how to work around with this. Okay, this is a pretty darn big output again. Yeah. Caching directory and some other good stuff. Unmounted file, which is a swap partition, which keeps some stuff into the RAM so it can be accessed faster. It's kind of cache. We can use any of this, less probability, but I'm pretty sure we can use one of these. And what else do we have? A spin in it, system dev, journal D. How are you doing? Give me that. And like too, if someone is watching. I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is this? All the Apache. Pretty devastating. We have a MySQL, but I don't think that's gonna be an intended way or anyway. And we have full get ID, and I believe we can use it because I've used it in one of the last box and it worked. We have www-data cron tab, system time, no active ports or services that we can utilize. Plug dev. So far I'm not able to find anything. Let's see if there is actually something with this. Plug dev, press enter, and there isn't anything. Total null. Sudo-l won't work because it's need some sort of protection, I guess. Bin bash root adm. That's a syslog. PHP stuff that shouldn't be allowed. URLf open include persistence. MySQL allow persistence. PGSQL. Monstra plugin and nothing much. There's a database password which we used and it worked, but the string or the password we got from the MySQL, that didn't work. It didn't work because you guys don't like the stream, so that's why it didn't work. Okay, it just didn't work because the hash wasn't there, or the actual string that is associated with that certain crack wasn't there. So it's not our fault. Sudo as admin some pretty damn big blanks. Trusted GPG files. Some uncommon file for this Splunk I don't think we can read. Yeah, this is known file and we have some weird string which we are not able to understand. How are we gonna crack it? Some home SSH config files were found. I don't think this is going to be any helpful though, but we'll keep this in mind. We have tmux sessions, bin on mount fma ping dang. I'm literally spinning. Search root files in home directory, and I guess this file also going to the devnull. If I will cat it, it's empty. Root wp sector didn't work. Other interesting file, get text. What's this file doing? Cat paste enter. It's a free software. I'm not able to understand what it's doing, but this seems a security problem with Chinese translation that happened to use characters such as these to avoid something. Security problem with malevolent translators and stuff. What other good thing do we have? Noma config client key. What's in there? Cat paste enter, and it's ID RSA private key, which I don't think we can use for the SSH cause the SSH is not working there. Oh, monster of backup. Backup files, database user, credentials, cache, APK, so we don't have anything good. Config and LXC, this seems to be something related to the container, which we might be able to crack and get some sort of password. But we need two files, the public and the private. Maybe the private one we might be able to crack that. I am so confused right now. What should we do? You guys, throw any good idea into the chat. Throw a good idea. Anything we can do. What can we do? This is becoming a headache. We don't have anything here. GDAP or other stuff. Find's not gonna work, cause that's a total different stuff. Even if I will use the find here, what it gonna do? Find the files, which is owned by the root. And stop it. This is going crazy. Need to go to dev now and press enter, and it's still gonna throw some good amount of stuff. Let's see what we'll get in the end. And the shell broke up. Oh no. I'm just thinking, is the user trolling us again with some sort of action that could be weird? Or can we do something like this? We're back into the same user, and this time if I will go all the way up and try the root, copy till here, bash, copy, paste, enter. Okay, now it's again asking for a password, which it wasn't asking before. So if I will do the Control C, with the bash, all the way here, paste it, press enter, and we are a different user. cd/temp. I'm getting too sleepy if you guys can see my eyes. Private tmux, tmux33. Sorry. Let's try cat/etc/password. We have 1004. What's the number for root? It's a 0. Pipe, not sub, grab back, enter. It's gonna be -I. Oh, either way it's the same. Only 2 users have the power here to run the bash. I'm feeling stuck right now. Let's see what this says. There's a full path in the bash script that run every 5 minutes on system timer. Yeah. Starting a poll. What it could be, what it could be, what it could be. Can we fetch files that are set for the cron job? How to find cron job related files in Linux? That's not gonna work in any manner. ls. Whoa. Enter, and it says the permission denied. As someone is watching, please, if you can give a hint here what we can do. Else I have to jump over the write-up and it's already been 2 or almost, so I want to get dealt with this faster. So here we are not able to understand what the hell we are doing. So cron jobs are running. I am sleepy. Damn, I'm sleepy. What we can do? Get this. Password, credentials. I need to look into the cron jobs. Placeholder, stream, man, DP. You can't write on the system MD path. Interfaces. Where the hell is cron jobs? These are the one, but same time they're not the one. Whoa. I am getting hits from a tough sleep push. What are we missing that should be covering? We're not able to see the cron jobs, but as per this, there is some cron jobs running, but which cron job is running? To check something, how we can check. PS AUX dub. Okay, dub. If I will go for the help. Okay, enter. Damn it. It's double hyphen. Here. Grab time. Out. Process without controlling this. TTYS. W. Unlimited output. Width. Oof, we know about that, but we need to find a way how we can keep the process awake so we can get if something is triggering behind the scenes. Come on, Linux for 5 minutes. process log without duplicates. Linux viewing full output of ps commands. Okay, it's ps ef enter, and it doesn't do anything. Okay, this time we got something, and this something is way too much. ps-ef, press enter, drop it down. This one is done by us. I don't know why it's running here. Sudo -u tar. Okay, it's gonna need tap enter. Okay, now it's full. Tar user tar. This one is also ours. ACPID ours is logged. Something is weird. Yo guys, I am feeling sleepy very bad. I am sorry I have to leave. I'm exhausted because of the Android penetration test. So I will take my leave, and I'm pretty sure now we are in the user. We can continue from here tomorrow, and even if I have to use write up tomorrow, I will use that. So thanks for watching so far. I know we did too much or anything today, I guess. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and if you're new here, subscribe. Older one, like. Newer one too, share. Drop a comment if there's something that you're not able to understand within these live streams or anywhere. Drop in the chat or comment wherever you like. And with that said, if you're in the same zone as me, have a great rest of your night. And I'm sleeping way tight. I'm gonna just drop on a bed. I will try to wake up early so I can work on the assessment that I'm working on. So I am going to take a leave for now. So if you're in the same time zone as me, have a great rest of your night. If in other zone, a great rest of your day. Enjoy it to your fullest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You won't find much in here, but thanks for watching so far. Bye bye.